Please don't get upset. I'm not going to give you any measurements for this. There is a recipe at gettystewart.com, but I want you to just create. This is the type of recipe where you can absolutely create and make it your own based on what you love. So this is how much quinoa I had left over in the freezer. So that's what I'm starting with. And I have these various ingredients that I've prepped. If I don't use them all in this salad, I know I'll have another salad later this week. So let's add some beans, some corn, red peppers, orange peppers. It looks gorgeous already. I'm also gonna add some cilantro and green onions. The recipe on my website for this black bean quinoa salad has a zesty lime vinaigrette, which is amazing. But today I have our avocado dressing, which I'm using. So super versatile. You can go whichever way you want. If you're a cheese lover, you could also add some feta or shredded cheddar to this salad.
But today we are filling our sweet potatoes with this gorgeous salad and then topping it with that avocado dressing. Oh, so good. Enjoy.